What we're looking at today is installing Office products on your personal device. So every one of our students has an Office 365 account. From that Office 365 account, we can put Office products on a personal computer. And here is how you do that. As you can see, I'm at the Bartow County Schools homepage. I'm going to scroll down to where I see Office 365. And I'm going to log into my Office 365 account. Remember, the Office 365 account is student number at s.bartow.k12.ga.us. My computer password. All right. If you are taken here, this is your Office 365 homepage. Here are all the different applications we have inside of Office 365, which is just a clouded platform, meaning we go to the internet and we can do these things. Okay? One of the things you will notice here to the right is Install Office. All right. What we want is Office 365 apps or applications. That's going to then begin an Office install on your personal computer. And you're going to get these boxes if you're using a Windows machine. I'm going to click Save, and it's going to start the process. The installation box is going to pop right down here to the lower left. When it's finished, I'm going to open it up, and then that is going to walk me through the process of installation on my machine. You're probably going to have to do some credentialing to get it to take effect and work and start. So just be ready to enter your personal computer logins and things. All right. So the installation process is going to take a few minutes. And when our bar is filled, it will give you some notifications that say you're all set. Office is installed. You can close out of your things. And now we can see that we have had Office products placed now in our table of contents here. We have Word, PowerPoint, Excel, we have Teams, all kinds of applications now that we can use or search. And always remember, things like Teams and Word, they run fine on the Office 365 platform online, but they're actually better in the app version. So anytime you can run the application version, that's what we want to do. So hopefully that helps. If you need to install Office products on your personal computer, you have the ability to do that through your child's account. And as always, just reach out to us if you have any issues or any needs, and hopefully this helps.